How to fix can't download Yono SBI problem. So if you want to download Yono SBI, and if you're not being able to download or install the application from your Google Play Store, then first you need to open up your Play Store application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with network preferences. Under network preferences, you need to go with app download preference, and if you've selected over Wi-Fi only, then you can select over any network. After that, go with apply or OK. After applying, now you can go back and open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. Once you're on your apps, go with manage apps, and here you need to search for an app which is Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Under Google Play Store, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and OK. And after clearing, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and you may have uninstall updates, so you can go and uninstall some updates. You can go with clear all data and then tap on OK, or just simply go with uninstall updates and OK, and this will fix your problem. You can go back to your Play Store and find your Yono SBI, and you'll be able to download it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.